The New Jersey School Boards Association's inaugural Equity Expo was the place to be on April 11th, as an almost sold-out crowd came from all over the state to share unique ideas on how to make their school districts more equitable and inclusive. The event, which drew almost 150 association members and education leaders, provided attendees with panel discussions, a keynote speaker, and breakout sessions, which discussed many aspects of equity and inclusion, such as alternative education programs, creating a culturally welcoming school atmosphere, and building a diverse educator workforce. NJSBA leaders Dr. Karen Cordolino and Dr. Nicholas Diaz shared in the excitement of the day, emphasizing the importance of equity in education and how it blends with the association's mission of advancing the education of all children. NJSBA officials say that the successful one-day conference is part of a much larger journey of serving the education community as well as students. The Expo's keynote speaker, LeDerek Horn, shared his personal journey as a student of special education and how his hardships and triumphs made him the renowned speaker and author that he is today.
It's important that School Board Association provides conferences like this because the work of equity is very challenging, right? And it's important for folks who are dedicated to it to be able to have safe spaces where they can have conversations and learn from each other.
Oh, it was absolutely amazing. I love the poetry. He definitely drew us in. I think it opened their eyes. A lot of times we hear DEI, we focus straight on race. So going into an inclusive environment that speaks to our disabled population is really eye-opening. So it was very, very informative.
Really every facet of what our keynote spoke about today and all the different workshops today that are being offered are things that we grapple with every day.
The enthusiasm from NJSBA members was palpable.
As a board of ed member, it's always great to come to conferences like this and just take a little bit of different nuggets from different individuals and get a different feel, a different taste of what's going on in the state, so you can actually share some of those ideas back in your district.
To close out the conference, NJSBA recognized and honored 2 school districts with Equity in Education awards for their work. Those districts were Hopewell Valley Regional School District and the Jersey City Public Schools Administrators Academy.